Heavy rains for several days are followed by historic floods that engulfed southern China and caused terrible damage. More rain is forecast in China's Henan province after the heaviest rain in hundreds of years. Typhoons and floods affect millions of Chinese. It resembles an apocalyptic scenario in many parts of China as torrential rains, floods and storms disrupt daily life in many provinces across the country. Persistent floods have killed 63 people and affected millions in Henan province, Xinhua news agency reported. Now, forecasts suggest a new wave of heavy rain could hit the flood-ravaged Henan province. The Henan Provincial Meteorological Observatory said the cities of Shenyang, Zhumadian, Zhoukou, Shangqiu, Kaifeng, Puyang, Xinxiang, Hebei and Anyang are likely to experience torrential downpours, strengthening the control situation. Local flood control. From August 8 to 12, a total of 132 towns in Xinxiang were affected by the storm, affecting more than 2 million people. By Sunday, 7 reservoirs and flood discharge points in Henan had been commissioned to divert and hold 553 million cubic meters of water. Typhoon In-fa made landfall in China's central province on Sunday with winds of up to 38 meters per second at its center, according to local managers. Landed in Putuo District, Zhoushan City. Typhoon In-fa made landfall for the second time in waters near Pinggu, a county-level city that governs Jiaxing City, China's Jiangdong province. All high-speed trains passing through the cities of Shanghai, Hangzhou and Ningbo have been suspended. The Xinhua news agency reported that as of 9 a.m. Monday, major flooding in Jiaxing has exceeded the reported water level, in which the water has completely dried up. Typhoon In-fa affected more than 114,000 people in Jiaxing and damaged more than 267 hectares of crops and 1.33 hectares of aquaculture forests, causing direct economic losses of more than 4.67 million yuan. About $721,000. More than 155,000 people have been evacuated to safety. Last week, floods in China's Henan province were caused by heavy rainfall. In 72 hours, Zhengzhou received about 31 inches, nearly 800 millimeters, more than the average rainfall of the 5 cities. Zhengzhou Weather said the 3-day rainfall is once in 1,000 years. According to local authorities, the death toll in Henan province is a record battle. More than 9.3 million people across the province have been affected and more than 1.1 million residents have been moved to safer places, Xinhua news agency reported. Over the weekend, torrential rain continued to pour down on areas in the cities of Luoyang, Pingtung, Shangqiu, Kaifeng and Hejiang. Local rivers, including Dasha and Anyang, have been flooded due to continuous rainfall. 13 large and 44 medium reservoirs in the province whose water levels exceed the flood season are at high risk of rupture, and many lakes have been damaged. Broken. Nearly 70,000 people from 146 villages in Luonan County, San Province, China were also affected by floods caused by torrential rain. According to the authorities, heavy rainfall fell on Luonan over the 2 days of August 11 to 12, causing direct economic losses amounting to more than 900 million yuan, equivalent to $139 million.